Good morning, Chris Laner here at Johnson Motors in New Richmond, Wisconsin. And today we have a 2018 Chevrolet Equinox LT in all-wheel drive. This is a certified pre-owned vehicle. It was a local trade. We did just install 4 brand new Uniroyal tires on this vehicle, making it all ready for winter. Super clean. Currently sitting around 62,000 miles. It was previously titled in both Iowa and Wisconsin. Has a lease return. Notice it has the rear parking sensors in the back and the backup camera right there, right above the license plate. Power gate. Super nice feature to have. Bunch of room on the inside. We do have some storage down here, just above the spare tire well. And we got the manual folding seat. Pull the lever, the seat drops, real nice feature. You can close the gate here with the button. I do notice a little bruise right there. That was about the only mark I could actually find on the car. Otherwise, it was incredibly clean. The back seat. The seat back up. We do have the cup holders with the folding armrest. We have a couple vents in the back. Notice a cigarette lighter adapter for a charger in your devices, and then also 2 USB-A ports. And then we also have the 110 port down there as well, which is really nice for plugging in devices. Super clean back here. Passenger side, we do have the manual passenger seat. Yeah, overall, real super clean vehicle. Priced real right at $21,999. It's certified, like I mentioned earlier. Let's take a look in the interior. So we do have a power driver's seat with lumbar, power windows, power locks, cruise control, automatic lights, and his and hers temp control with a big touchscreen radio that includes wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Currently sitting at about 61,879 miles. Yeah, really nice clean car. This one won't last long with winter coming. But if you'd like to schedule an appointment for a test drive, you can call Chris directly at 651-260-3478, or you can reach me at the store at 715-246-2261. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.